It's raining! Wow! It's raining! A miracle! Holy! Now that's what I like to see. Is it coming down? Wow! Holy! Coming out of the gutter. Look at that! Chickens don't like it, but I love it. That's what I call a rain. I think I'll go out there and have a shower in my underwear. Hope the neighbors don't look. Wow! Oh, I love this. Oh, oh! You guys hiding underneath the fifth wheel? It's raining. Wow! That's what I call rain. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Okay, I want to show a part way. Not allowed to show any more boobies. Man boobies. I love this stuff. Oh, wow. Oh, now that is nice. Woohoo! Look at that come down. I was going to put out some fires if there's any around here. One at the end of the island. Victoria, south end of the island. It might help a bit. I hope to get the rest of BC is on fire. But that's what I call rain. Yeah! Love it! Love it, love it, love it! Woohoo! That's gonna be so good for the garden. Ho, 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 ho. Gotta love that rain. Woo! It's coming down. Whoa! As long as there's no lightning and thunder, we'll be fine. A miracle! A miracle! Yes! It's even cold. I'm getting goosebumps. Whoa! Gotta love that stuff. Woo! Hoping that shed don't leak. Yep. My garlic wet. Wow. Have another puff, Mark. Wow. Cancer stick. Holy. Look at that. Was that lightning? Did I just see a flash? Hope not. Look at it. Oh, it's already flooding there. Maybe it won't be that good. Oh well. Look at it coming right off the roof. Guess I should have added to that gutter. It fell down. Woohoo! Oh, I'm actually shivering. Oh, look at that stuff. That's gold. Gold, gold, gold. Ooh, uh-oh. That was thunder. That's not good. That means more forest fires. Oh, wow. Oh, I got... Gotta love that stuff. Oh. Might do a little bit of flooding and stuff, but oh well. Look at it. That's what I call nice. Mind you, there's a lot of garden that's under cover here. What is gold? Oh, to put the clothes on now. Wow. Look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Wow. Okay, I should let it go. for a bit. I gotta go in and put some clothes on. I'm shivering. Holy. Ciao for now. Take care. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. It all is good. Like, subscribe, share. Take care. Be safe. Oh, it's slowing down now already. Wow. We're like 10 minutes, 5 minutes of rain. Well, that's better than nothing, I guess. Sure, coming down there, holy. Even missing my rain catch bucket. Mind you, it's not very good there. I gotta empty it. So I had to put a drain plug in that. I have to empty it by bucket, I guess. Missing it. Oh, more thunder. Woohoo! Yeah. Look at that roof on that shed. Guess you should have painted it, eh? It's not my shed. It's full of her stuff. Full of junk. Yep, she hasn't checked it in 2 years. Wouldn't doubt if there's been rats in there, because they could get in there no problem. And I know for a fact that there's, I don't know if the rats come from underneath there to my garden, because every time I put rat poison in my garden, it goes pretty fast. But, oh well. Anyway, coop's empty. Oh, there's only one chicken in there. Should be only one chicken in there, hopefully. But the garden's getting wet. Started getting wet? Nope. That's good. My scrap wood in there. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's windy. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Wow. Thunder, 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 thunder. Please no lightning with that thunder. Don't see no flashes though. Oh, that wind's getting bad. Oh, that's cold. Oh, pause for, I gotta go put a shirt on. Let's have a look out the bathroom window here. Oh, it's just about stopped already. I'm running down the road a little bit. But, yeah, wow. The whole 10 minutes. Not even. Probably more like 5. Pause for a minute. Go to the backyard. I don't know if you can hear that, but the thunder towards the ocean. As long as it stays over the ocean. I imagine it's doing that up the mountain. I love the sound of thunder. But we used to get thunderstorms and lightning storms a lot. Not so many anymore though. Just go out to the ocean and watch the lightning go across the ocean. Well, that was a long one. Still going. Oh, it stopped. Nope, just ended now. Wow. That was a long one. All the chickens are hiding underneath the fifth wheel. See all the ropes over my yard? That's to keep the eagles out. Well, the dumb ones. The smart ones sit up there. Yep, the one smart one did. Wow, the sound of that rain, eh? It's hitting the bucket now. Ooh. That tree. See the tree that's going to fall on the house? That one right there. That one is leaning this way. And it's a hemlock. And hemlocks fall. That's a big tree. That is a big tree. See that blue on top of that shed? You know what that is, eh? That's the bottom of an 18-foot cabin cruiser. Yeah, boat. It's a good roof though. I had to cut it up to get it out of the yard. It was one of two. Gave the other one away to someone who wanted it. I started rebuilding it. But they sealed up the hole for the inboard, and I was going to fix it all up, put an outboard on it, but it ended up costing too much money. So, and it cost you a lot of money to get rid of the boat, so I cut it all up and used part of it. Don't leak, that's for sure. That was my woodshed. And it used to hold a lot of wood. That one there is full of, the end one is full of junk. There's my canoe. I don't know if you can see that. But that is a aluminum canoe that you sit on the floor. It's got like a foam, black foam in the inside of it. And you can put a little motor on the back end of it. And it's really, when you sit on the floor of them, they're really stable. So I bought myself a fold-up seat. I haven't used it in a few years, so I think I have a video out there with it, me fishing with at Quinsam Lake. And there's a car carrier, I guess you'd call it. We haven't used for years. Still thunder. There are trees. Way up there. Way up there. There's the camera. Overlooks the chicken's backyard. 360 camera. On the internet too, so my sister can watch. Anybody I give the password can watch it. You just download the app and you can watch my chickens in the whole backyard if you want. So anybody wants it, I can give them the app name and the password, and you can watch. Except for if I pee in the yard, you're not allowed to look. I try not to pee towards the cameras, but there's so many cameras around here, but the house cameras aren't on the internet. They're only local. You can put them on the internet, but I don't have the software anymore. And the ex didn't want me to have them on the internet because there's one right there. And used to the pool, that pool or hot tub there used to be a cold tub, but it used to sit right here. And she used to go in the nude. No one wants to look at a heavy fat woman nude. So, oh, yep. Okay, I should let you go now. So we'll let you go. You can't really see me there. Yeah, I know I'm wearing suspenders. That's what happens when you get overweight. I wish I had wore these at work. I used to pack a lot of tools in my pockets and stuff. It would have held up my pants, cinching up the belt so tight it leave a great big red line around your waist. But not smart enough. I had tool vests and stuff, but always packed it too full of tools, and it's hard on the back. So, yeah. Anyway, so thumbs up, thumbs down. You know the scene. Like, subscribe, share. Take care and be safe. Ciao for now.